third time on the podium again. I hope you are just thinking, what is that person coming again and again? We are here, we have spent a period of time over here, what we learn actually, and what happens that most of the time, people are having doubts. Why are you going English zone? What is the meaning to go there? They just teach you just English. And what is the basic need of that English? Nowadays you can learn English from YouTube. There are so many courses available, you can do from there. Like this, there are so many courses. I still remember. So I was sitting in the class and he told, you will learn the things. Can I speak in Hindi that time?
Yeah, sure, sir, please.
आप बजट खा के सीखोगे. He told this thing. Means he used to tell this thing. What is that? बादाम खाने से अकल नहीं आती है. अकल बजट खाने से आती है. So this is the thing which I. Thank you. This was the thing which I thought, yeah, I came here for learning English. What something else he is talking. What is this? I didn't understand that day what actually he meant to tell to us. But nowadays, when we are just having a level, we are just understanding, we got some understanding level that, yeah, there are some practical things which we are having. Actually, in English, you know, what we are learning, it's not only about English speaking skills. It is about language skills plus your practical life skills which we are learning. You will find after joining English Zone, your kids will change drastically. Totally they will change. You will find that they have a management in themselves. They are well disciplined in themselves. It's not only about academic learning, sir, and my dear ma'ams. It is about their practical learning. Practical world is very, very much important than our academics. Recently in my speech I told so many things. So this was my answer that in English Zone we learn about the practical life activities. How to talk to people, to whom we should talk, what should we talk, what should we not talk. Sometimes it is very important that we just talk everything. That is not good. What should we not talk? This much also we have idea. We must have idea. So these are some things which I have noticed today. Things are so many, but I think I must pass chance to someone else. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhishek sir, for your answer. Really, English Zone is not that a place who only passes us language skills, it also passes us practical skills. Now, my question is for Samir sir. What extra opportunities students get in English Zone?
In English Zone, we can find there are glorious environment is there. Okay, so actually the question arises that except of English, the student, what can they get? Okay, so if I go through a particular degree, so obviously, okay, I will get only one skill. But the trainers, the students, we are teaching them and we also learning here. So we are unable to know that how we know that things which I didn't learn even. We know that how to stress management and we know that how to manage a trouble situation and we know the management also. And one in the Hindi quote also sir said, एक जंगल में जब सुबह शेर उठता है तो वो सोचता है कि आग अगर मैं नहीं तोड़ा तो मैं भूखा मर जाऊंगा. और उसी जंगल में एक जब हिरण सुबह उठती है तो वो सोचती है कि आज अगर मैं नहीं भागी तो भी मैं मारी जाऊंगी. So there is a difference between attitude and the things which are mentioned here. If you are Makarona people have the something less. We are in really the English Zone is a real spirit. There is a we can say thousand of students English Zone provides there. But what they are doing for this Makarana also, the same purpose. Sir came here and then we taught us to, of course, the Makarana need us and what we are going to provide them in this Makarana. Not only basis of performance we are going to do. Whatever performance we does, we on not for showing we first day we are going to celebrate. No, every single performance passing a single message to us. If it's child education, education to girls, whatever. If you are a housewife, if you are a parent, then what's your responsibility towards them? That's my dignity points over here.
Thank you, sir. So my next question is that we often see that many times is that Makarana is not that much aware about the girls' education. But you know what? When it comes to about English Zone, you can see there are more girls than boys. Right? Here on stage also you can see the girls are more than boys. So Sifat ma'am, can you please tell me why it is?
Yeah, thank you ma'am. As we know that it is right that there is in Makarana there is no awareness of girl education. Even girls also not aware for their education and parents also not aware for their daughters' education. But now it is increasing. But if we talk about English Zone, so there is lot of girls than boys. What is the reason behind it? The biggest reason behind environment. There is friendly environment which we never see anywhere in Makrana. Like that environment in my English zone. And I also said one thing, that there is especially care taken for the safety of girls. So girls feel comfortable here, and their parents also send them with a belief. So because of it, in English zone, girls are more than boys.
Sure.
Thank you. Really, you passed the answer that in English zone we more focus on about the safety. So now question comes. Do you feel that English zone is exception in Makrana? I think Kainat ma'am. What do you say about this thing?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, my dear friends and guardians. I will say yes, English zone is exceptional in all over India, because if we talk about environment, so English zone environment is the best, and not only environment. There are rules and regulations which we are going to follow. I know that there are lots of schools and colleges. There are also rules, but in English zone, every child and elder one, everyone are going to follow the rules and regulations. That is making discipline. And also we are discussing with in group discussions and all. So by that we are getting new ideas and we are getting new characters of others. So we are going to adapt that, and when we are going to present in the front person. So that has helped us. And because of that we are going to learn practical knowledge, and that because of that I say yes, I feel that English zone is unique from all our institute in Makrana also, in all over India also. Thank you.
Thank you for your wonderful words. Now question arises, I also feel that when I come on English zone, so I feel it is a different world. So Sabha, do you also feel that?
Yes, ma'am, I feel same. First of all, I would like to thank you and my lovely audience. As you know that English zone is different from others institute, as my dear sister told. And when I came, let me tell you my experience of English zone. When I came over here, so on the time I am having lot of questions, which is everyone has. Whenever we are going another institute and any schools, we are having that fear. But when I came over here, so I find in that there is a familiar environment, and you know, when I sit with the guys, they make me comfortable even you didn't find like this environment in any institute. But as you feel, these are the unity of this family, and because of it we are on every year we are celebrating this new year. And as you know that whenever we got fear, so we started to decrease ourselves. But in the English zone there is a different way. You know, if you are feeling more fear, so guys will help you to improve yourself. And because of it, lot of guys are improving over here. As you can see, lot of changes in their children. The parents are also saying that we accept of English, there is lot of changes we will find in our children. So that is the thing which make you different from others, this institute. Thank you so much.
Really well. So now this is a question. Now the question comes that if these are the things, so what changes you find in yourself? Neeta ma'am, can you tell me?
Yes, of course, ma'am, I want to tell. First of all, thank you so much, my dear sir, and thank you so much, English Zone organization, to pass me this more opportunity to speak in front of us. And I find my character, I remove my fear, I remove my hesitation, and I have more confidence, more determination to do something in my future. And the future is more important to our life, to our character also.
Right. Now, the question comes like, Ikra ma'am, this question for you. When there are thousands of YouTube channels and applications available, so why still English Zone makes first choice?
First of all, thanks a lot, ma'am, to pass me chance, and thanks to dear Aji sir to make me able to stand on this stage. First of all, your question was that there are thousands of YouTube channels at all. So I was also there that somebody is there who asked me the same question, that why are you going over there? There are a lot of YouTube channels, you can learn freely over there. But just tell me one thing, I am connected with them the mentally, but am I connected with them physically? Not of course. If I want to I want to solve my question, so I believe on sir. If I will be go anytime with him, he will obviously ready to solve my problem. If on the other hand, if I will go like in YouTube channel at all, so for what I will wait. And as I told that we are not connecting with only mentally, but we should connect with the physically too. In English zone, as we know that we are always doing the group discussion. For what need we are doing here group discussion? For transfer our thing one mind to another place. So it can be we never find in YouTube channel at all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, this is, I think, most of us feel this question, that whenever we go for inquiry, I will send this question for you, right? Whenever we go for inquiry, people used to ask this, why you came on inquiry? Is there any commission? Is there any profit of yours? Really? Yes, we used to face this question. So what's your point of view about it? Please share.
At first, ma'am, let me thank you everyone to make me stand on this beautiful podium. Yeah, exactly. The question is absolutely right. Whenever I am visiting door to door, they are constantly bombarding me with the same question. Why are you here? Why you came to our house? I know it's not your institution. Then why are you coming at our house again and again? For a minute, it took me a deep state of thought. Yeah, exactly. It's not my institution. Then why I am going to at another's house again and again? When I am thinking, sir is not passing me, absolutely sir is not passing me any kind of commission in the terms of money, etc., etc. But when I am taking a glance of my life, earlier I was a person who completely homesick, who used to sit only with the family, only with the siblings, who used to live in a very narrow surrounded people. But today, when I'm thinking about myself, I can easily interact with everyone. I know my communication skills has become very good. I am good in negotiation skills. So these all are the things which knew I got these things after going houses again and again. But at first, if I am thinking how I got this, so today absolutely I can say I got all these things after visiting door to door. So for all these things, I am thanking to RD sir to make me stand in this world full of artificial intelligence. Thank you.
अरविंद सर कुछ लाइन आप हिंदी में बोलेंगे बिकॉज बहुत सी ऑडियंस भी ये क्वेश्चन मोस्ट ऑफली ऑडियंस का ही होता है सो प्लीज
आई कैन रिपीट दिस लाइन इन हिंदी. जैसा मैंने बताया कि हम इंग्लिश जोन के अंदर एक मार्केटिंग टैक्टिक्स होती है कि हम लोगों के घर पे विजिट करते हैं, हम उनको इंग्लिश जोन के बारे में बताते हैं कि हम यहाँ पे ऐसी चीजें करवाते हैं, हम यहाँ पे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, हम यहाँ पे सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, हम यहाँ पे नेगोशिएशन स्किल्स, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट वगैरह के सारे कोर्स करवाते हैं. जब मैं उनके पास जाता हूँ तो उनका सबसे पहला यही क्वेश्चन होता है, आप यहाँ पे क्यों आए हो? मुझे जहाँ तक पता है ये सेंटर आपका नहीं है, क्या सर आपको इसके लिए कमीशन देते हैं? मेरा पहला होता है कि नहीं, लेकिन अंदर ही मैं सोचता हूँ कि उन्होंने ऐसा क्यों पूछा होगा. ये तो मुझे पता है कि सर मुझे कोई तरीके का फाइनेंशियली कमीशन नहीं देते, लेकिन जब मैं खुद को देखता हूँ कि बहुत टाइम पहले मैं सिर्फ घर के अंदर रहता था, मैं सिर्फ अपने कुछ लिमिटेड पीपल होते थे उन्हीं से सराउंडेड होता था, लेकिन आज मैं किसी भी स्ट्रेंज बॉडी से बात कर सकता हूँ, किसी भी कंफर्ट लेवल पे उनसे बात कर सकता हूँ. इस जो एक अपन बात करते हैं कि एक बहुत बड़ी कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड है, इसके अंदर मैं इजीली सर्वाइव कर सकता हूँ. आज का टाइम है वो पूरा आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है, पूरा इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस का टाइम है. अगर आज की दुनिया में आप ये नहीं जानते कि लोगों की रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, लोगों से कैसे बात करनी है, उनको कैसे डील करना है, पब्लिक को कैसे डील करते हैं, उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स को हम किस तरह फुलफिल कर सकते हैं, तो हम अपने आप को बहुत पिछड़ा हुआ समझेंगे. तो मैं इन सब के लिए आरडी सर को थैंक्स करता हूँ कि उन्होंने हमें इस लायक समझा कि मार्केट्स में जाके ना कि सिर्फ खुद की बल्कि हम सभी की ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की तरफ से हम उनसे डील कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू मैम.
थैंक यू सर फॉर योर काइंड वर्ड्स. नाउ एक और क्वेश्चन आता है कि एक्चुअली फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड वी आर स्टडिंग इन इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल्स राइट, बट वी आर अनेबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. But when a person comes in English zone, in 15 or 20 days, they are able to speak. So Pooja ma'am, what's the reason? Please give your point of views.
For sure, ma'am. First of all, thank you so much for entire institute for passing me this golden opportunity to speak my words actually. And here the question arises, like even I used to study in English medium school since my starting and like childhood. But when it comes to speaking and presenting any presentation in front of public, so I never ever tried to speak on podium. But when it comes to English zone, people start to speak in English within 15 days. Within 15 days, a student start to speak in English. This is only English zone in Makrana this institution is only one in Makrana which give you guarantee that your student will speak in English within 15 days. And here, I want to ask some of the parents that don't you feel क्या आपके बच्चे बचपन से इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हैं, राइट? बहुत से ऐसे पेरेंट्स हैं जिनके बच्चे इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ रहे हैं, आर यू राइट? यस, बट फिर भी उनको इंग्लिश नहीं आती थी, कभी बोली नहीं बोला? प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स, प्लीज हैंड रेज करके बताएं किन किन के बच्चे इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में पढ़ते थे लेकिन कभी इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आता था। इंग्लिश बोलना तो दूर की बात, हिंदी में बात नहीं कर पाते थे स्टेज पे आके। कौन कौन है, प्लीज एक बार अपना सपोर्ट करके बताएं। एनीवन इज देयर? प्लीज हैंड रेज करके बताएं कि किन किन के बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने यहाँ आके इम्प्रूवमेंट देखा है। यस सर, यस सर, आपने चेंजेस देखे? यस, they are fearing to stand their hands, but here I want to tell you so many things. Here, as Abhishek sir, Sameer sir, Arvind sir, Ikra ma'am, Sabha ma'am told you so many things, right, about English zone. So what makes English zone different? Because here we follow the concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Here, whenever a new student comes, so he is no new more for institution of English zone. He becomes the member of this institution. Very first day when he comes, so everyone start to talk with him. We become brother and sisters here. Whenever in a school there is any doubt, if you try to ask that question, your friend, your classmate start to laugh at you. They start to mock at you. But in English zone, we don't laugh at you. We don't make fun of you. We don't make your mistakes highlighted. We correct you. We rectify you. We modify you. We support you. We motivate you to speak whatever, wrong or right. Whatever you speak, whatever you want to speak, we correct it. We motivate you to rectify the mistakes, and we support you to speak in English. But in Hindi, many times what happens, even at your home, you try to speak in Hindi, otherwise you try to speak in English. Your friends say like, बड़ी अंग्रेज बन रही है, हिंदी में ही बात कर ले। कहते हैं कि नहीं कहते हैं? कहते हैं कि नहीं कहते हैं? सब क्या कहते हैं? Whenever you try to speak in English, आपके अपने पेरेंट्स बोल देंगे कि बड़ी अंग्रेज आई है, हिंदी में ही बात कर ले दो, मारवाड़ी में बात कर ले दो, बोलते हैं ना? लेकिन but here in English zone we support you, we correct your mistakes, we encourage you, we remove your camera fear, we remove your podium fear, we remove your crowd fear. As already mentioned by Ikra ma'am and all, that even there are so many institutions, there are so many YouTube channels, still English zone is first choice, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes, English zone is the first choice, English zone was the first choice, and English zone will be the first choice. Yes, ma'am. In Makrana also many institutions of English, especially spoken English classes, started and wind up within 2 to 3 months. They opened their center and within 2 to 3 months they wind up, they collect their stuff and went home back. But English zone is the only institution which is surviving more than 8 years. Please give a big round of applause for English zone Makrana and the students and the heritage of Makrana. Please louder.
Wow, thank you Pooja ma'am. I have more questions, but due to lack of time, I would just end up this thing, and thank you all the seniors who come and give us time.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.